Hi guys, this is Young Lee from Smart Art by Young Lee. I'm going to make a video about painting like drawing. Painting and drawing, they are two different art. Painting is usually made by a paintbrush with paint, which can be oil, watercolor, acrylic, and gouache, maybe some more. Drawing is made with some dry material like pencils, which is graphite, and charcoal, and pastels, that is like a pencil type, and which is hard. You can hold this material with your hand and draw on the paper usually. But sometimes people comment that my drawings are like a painting, and I know what they really mean, because my drawings are rather made of many planes than maybe just lines. So it means it can be linearly drawing, but it can also be like plane based drawing. So to make a plane, you also need lines that come together, make a planes. Basically, there are layers of these planes that make painting, but you can also do this with your drawing material and on the paper without paintbrush, with a hard material. But usually with charcoal, you can make a more painting like a drawing, but you can also create similar effect with graphite pencils, especially if you use photo references that is kind of blurred. The blurred photography is their camera lens is not really focused, so there is not really hard and sharp edges, but it's more blurred. Like you can imagine black and white photography from Victorian, or you can also imagine a photograph make kind of blurred photos with intention, so that it looks like a more painting, more soft. There is not sharp edges. So you can pick up these kind of references, and you can try out with me, and I'll show you how I'm drawing a portrait which look like a painting. I want to make the edges even more blurry. The reference photo shows also not really very strong lines or very sharp lines. So the focus is more like here. The edges are sharper than other side, upper side of the face. So except here, you can really make it even more blurry. I think I'm done, and I just want to make some little summary about the painting like a drawing. So for this drawing, I haven't used a lot of sticking line, but more sliding line, so which is not very sharp lines. I also chose this reference that is quite blurred. If you see this photo here, the eye area, the hair, also, the background, it's all kind of blurred. So this make the drawing more painting-like. This tutorial is about the drawing style. It's not about the proportion or Loomis method. It's not about that, but it's more like drawing style. So if you want to try out this kind of style, I would recommend to do, and you can blur the drawing, especially the edges, and where you used to make it very clear, you can make it blurry. This drawing has a very strong light source, so as you see, there is a very light part on her left side of the face, but also I didn't make very strong highlight or very strong contrast. She gets very strong shadow on her right face side. This make also the painting like drawing even better, because there is a very big plane is made on her face. So it's about more plain than lines in this drawing. I don't know if this drawing is looking like painting like a drawing. It must be very nice if you share your opinion on the comment below. I wish you a very nice day, and see you then in the next video. Bye!